So here, very important. Don't drink and forge. Bawal inuman. At nagkakaroon na naman ng pagtaas ng COVID-19 cases dito sa Pilipinas. Subalit ayon sa gobyerno, wala raw lang. Ang pagsuyo ko ay multong haplos. Huli na akong lumampi ng 1,000 taon. Papailing ning paggamit ning folk beliefs related to the municipal. Nunglo or the kinabayo could very well be an articulation of this folk. Then we go farther forward and we'll go to the false shield. At saka ito syempre ang ating sword. Kasi naman ano po kung talagang may sombrero po dito. Alright, we are at the Sisno Forge. So let's check it out. Saan po ikaw nakatuod?
Ginakalang ko kanong pulpagan sa ako. Ginabakalang ka na ako. Kasi kanahan pala mo tuturo ka na ako dating panday ka.
So our blacksmith here says he learned blacksmithing from the one who previously owned this anvil. These are some of the equipment. So they are. They also make other items like that one. Ano ba ikan man?
Siklang.
Gigibo ka mo kan? Ano? Arado. Ano? Plow. So, you might want to check their Facebook page. Sisno Forge, Sisno Pandayan. So here are some old stuff. You see? This is the Arabis. Some old handles. Here's the forge itself and the quench, water quench. Really nice. Huh? Some kind of decor. Are done being varnished and being dried. So here, very important. Don't drink and forge. Bawal inuman. So that's a policy. Some stuff that they design. Oh, the prices. You might check wanna check their Facebook page. Sisno Pandayan. From the outside, the Sisno Forge actually is a splendid place. Okay. All right. So highly, it's provincial, relaxing. So you see, you can actually come here and actually ask for Mr. Sisno that you're allowed to camp. So you can stay for a while. So spacious forge. The products are being dried outside.